Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use bullet journal system in Google Keep. If you do not know what bullet journal system is, please search internet. There are tons of explanations and examples. In short, it is a way to organize your life, or in other words, it is the tool that helps you to do that. So how does one apply bullet journal system in Google Keep? Well, firstly, use Google Keep labels as collections. Collections are chapters in your bullet journal system where some similar information is grouped together. Most important collections are future, monthly, weekly, daily log collections. These are building blocks of bullet journal, and I will demonstrate how I create them in my Google Keep. So let's start with future log. I have already created a future log collection label for this year. You see it starts from 2018 September to 2019 September, and let's click on it. This is where your long-term goals, plans and visions are stored. In my future log, I have a goal here. Learn new language, French. And I choose purple color for all my future log entries. Now let's continue to the monthly log. Let's click it, and the color for monthly entries is pink. You can see it here. And in monthly log collection, you can store any events, goals, tasks relevant for that specific month. Now here I have an example that is related to previous future log entry. Complete at least 3 French language course levels on a mobile app. Now my weekly logs are blue, you can see it here, and my daily logs are yellow. I have created as well example entries for each, so you can see that this one says complete at least 1 French language course level on a mobile app for this week, starting 23rd and ending at 30th of September. My daily log also reflects my future goal. So I will finish 3 grammar and vocabulary exercises on my mobile app for the 23rd of September. So this is the main way I create collections, basically with labels and assigning specific colors to separate collections. Now, a little bit more explanation about the label names. You see that the date numbers are written first. And it is that way because you cannot move labels in Google Keep. You cannot drag them anywhere you want. But Google Keep labels alphabetically, and therefore names with numbers are always at the top of the list. And I choose to name it that way so I could really quickly see those main important collections at the very top. Now, also entries in weekly and daily collections have day numbers as the title. I do not write the date fully in the title, as part of it is already displayed on the label. For example, let's check this daily entry, and the date for it would read like this: 2018 September 23rd. Of course, you can have more collections if you want. You can have, for example, a favorite quotes collection, or a shopping list collection, or any other collection that you think you need to have. And a very useful thing within Google Keep is that one entry can be assigned to more than one collection. Just add additional label. So for example, if I want to create a shopping list for my daily entry, I can simply write what I need to buy and the date. But I also have a shopping related collection. and maybe I want to have all my entries related to shopping in one place. So what I could do is I could simply click on more and select change labels and mark additional label or collection shopping. So now it's going to appear both in my daily log collection and in my shopping collection that easily. Once you use the system more and more, you can get really lost within all the notes. And a very good thing about Google Keep is that you can really easily ping the most important notes at the very top, so that you could really quickly review it. This is how it works. For example, we only want to see our tasks for today. Let's imagine it's the 23rd. So I'm just gonna ping it here, and maybe we don't want to really see the shopping list and all the other unnecessary information, but maybe we want to always reflect on our future goal to help us focus more. So we just ping those two entries, and it is in our focus of attention. Now you can always easily unping it, and it just goes back to the regular list. I really believe that reviewing is another crucial part of bullet journal. That is why at the end of each day I try to review current daily entries, migrate some tasks and notes, delete what's no longer needed. At the end of the week I do the same with weekly entries, and at the end of the month with monthly entries. And if you really need to save something, you can always simply archive those notes by clicking more, I'm sorry, not more, but by clicking this archive icon, and it will go to your archive box. If you need to find some information really quickly, and I usually do, I can simply go to this search bar and type in keywords or dates. So for example, maybe I want to find the information related to the 23rd day. I just enter it and click on an enter, return, and it gives me all the notes with this information. So last thing I want to show you is how you can create the key for your Google Keep bullet journal. So you can be original here, and you can create basically those signifiers however you want to. So for example, I did a dash for task, lowercase letter O for event, exclamation mark for very important, question mark for research, or an arrow for migrate. I don't really like using Google Keep checkboxes because there is an option to do that, but I don't really like that because once editing, it might be a little bit too crowded. For example, like this, but I find it a little bit too visually crowded, and I simply like to use the dash for the task. So this is it for today. I hope it was useful, and thank you for watching.